Hello friends, thank you for joining me today. I thought I would share another aspect of my natural lifestyle with you today. Today I want you to join me while I make dun 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 vitamin C pills. This is Nutricost's vitamin C powder. It is pure ascorbic acid, and I really like this because it's non-GMO, and like I said, it's pure. When I look for supplements, I look for something that is pure because I don't like the fillers. There's no reason for them, and I don't want them. So, I'm going to put these in these caps here. These are Now brand single O veg caps, and these two are non-GMO. They're just made with vegetable matter. It's not gelatin. They're veg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in here, and I'll give you the tips of how to do it effectively. I'm going to show you the things that I had to learn myself, okay? So I'll probably start off with like 5 here. I usually like to take about 4 or 5 at a time. And I might have a video on vitamin C, or I might do one, but there's a lot of reasons to take vitamin C. It has good antihistamine properties. So when I need that, sometimes I'll take it for that. But there's a lot of health benefits for it, and I think to myself, why not take it? Sorry, that's the Instant Pot going off there. But let me show you how to do this. So you open them up. I don't know how well you can see this, but it's a little capsule, and you just pull it open like that. And then I take a scoop here, and I believe that 1 scoop is about 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, and it's not going to be quite a whole scoop in here. So I just hold it over the bottle, and I pour it into the big side of the capsule that I'm holding in my hand. I had put the small side down. Now I'm putting the small side back up, and this is the part that's very important. You hold the middle part like this, and then you take the top and bottom and press it down until you hear a click. Did you hear the click? That lets you know that it is securely closed. Because if it's not securely closed, it could come undone or try to come undone when you're swallowing it, and that is not a good thing. So hold around the middle gently, and then gently push down. Did you hear the click? There you go. So I'll go ahead and do these 3 more that I'm going to do right now. And you know, you probably could just do a whole lot of them and keep them in a baggie or keep them in a container. But usually I'll make them. Sometimes I make them in the morning. And like however many I'm going to take that day, I'll just have them in a container to take them. Or I'll just do it right before I take it. Because that's just the way I do it. And this container, I don't remember how long ago I bought it. It was probably, I would say a container lasts me at least maybe a month. It just depends on how often you take it. And I have taken this ascorbic acid just in orange juice before, but it can be very acidic if you do it that way. So I would really, if you don't want that acidity, I would just suggest to go ahead and put it in the pills like this, and it's been no problem like that. If you want to take it in orange juice, there is sodium ascorbate, which has been buffered. And that is not acidic when you drink it. But I prefer to take this because I like it without the extra sodium for myself. So, I hope that that has been helpful to you. I just wanted to give you another little insider look on some of the things that I do naturally. So, God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I plan to be making another video very soon. If you're interested in wellness, Christian wellness coaching from me, you will find the link down below. And I hope to talk to you soon. God bless you. Bye.